Today I'm going to show you how to register and complete a online NFHS module and also submit it via Canvas. So the first thing we're going to select is modules. And we're going to find the NFHS project. This one here is actually the sportsmanship project. We're going to select that. Once we've clicked that, we'll find the directions on how to do the project. Very simple. We're going to go to the NFHS Learn website. We're going to watch the how-to video, which is what you're doing now. We're going to sign up or log in to NFHS Learn. We're going to select the assigned course, which is the title of the project. So today is going to be sportsmanship. We're going to complete the course and then take the quiz. And then we're going to save and submit the certificate to Canvas. So first we're going to have to click the link. And that's going to open up the NFHS Learning Center. So first we must register. On the top right of the screen, we'll click register. And we will need to sign up to use NFHS Learn. I would recommend strongly using your school email. That way we can look it up if you forget it. However, you may use any email that you like. Okay. Next, you may make up a username. That can also be anything that you choose. I might recommend using something like your school ID or school number will be fine, and then a password that you can remember. I would also recommend you simply using your Canvas password here. Then we're just going to fill out the rest of the information. Now, your address is not important. You may use whatever address that you choose, but you do have to write some kind of address. Obviously, my address is not 444 Barron Lane, but just fill it out with something. Now, the state must be correct, so make sure no matter what fake address you may have used, that the state is correct. And also, you can select Gates Senior High School, which is us. Phone number is the same. You can make up a phone number. It does not have to be real. And you can select any sport or no sports. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to select soccer. And that's all I'm going to do. And I'm going to finish. Now from here, it's going to ask, in order to better serve you and personalize your experience, we'd like you to know more about you. What is your primary position? So I am a coach. You would, however, select student and then finish. And it's asking, will you be taking the course in North Carolina, which is yes. And we're going to hit continue. And that's going to take us to our online platform here. Now, I currently do not have any courses. So I'm going to select courses here at the top. Now today we're taking sportsmanship, so I'm going to scroll down. They're all in ABC order until I find sportsmanship. And then I'm going to select view course. Once I select view course, I will then select order course. I'm taking it for myself. And I'm going to check out. Now, although it's asking me to check out, this course is absolutely free. I'm going to click I agree and then continue. Now, this course should show up in my dashboard. So I'm going to go back and click dashboard. And there we'll find our course. We can begin course. So if we look under my courses and click that, it will show up as well. So I will click begin course. And then I'm actually going to take the course. Once again, we'll just hit next and we'll watch the videos. And at the end, it's going to provide you with a quiz. Now, since this is a brand new account I just created, I do not have any certificates. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to log out. I'm going to log into my actual account. And once I'm in my regular account, I can go to my certificates, and you can see the certificates I have. So if I was looking for sportsmanship, here it is. I'll simply select download, and there's my course. It says my name, and then it'll also say the date of completion. And I'll simply download that to my computer by selecting the arrow here on the upper right. And I'm going to save it to the desktop as Jacob. We'll go sportsmanship. Now, once that downloads, I'm going to go back to Canvas and I'm going to upload that for a grade. Now that I've downloaded my certificate to my desktop, I'm going to go back to Canvas. I'm going to go to Submit Assignment. It's going to bring up File Upload. I'm going to choose a file. I'll go to Desktop. I'm going to find Jacob Sportsmanship. And then I'm going to click Submit Assignment, and then I'm done. So once I have submitted my certificate and have submitted it to Canvas, I have completed the NFHS project. So very simple. Just make sure that you upload your certificate and also make sure that you delete it from your desktop once you have completed it.